Back in. Where we at? We're back in the room, guys. Where we at? Here we go. Guys, let's get out of there. Here we go. Hold on a sec. Here we go. Yo, we're here, guys. We're here. I can't believe what just happened. I cannot believe what's just happened. Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, can you hear me? Okay, cool. Let me just take this, bring it to you guys here, right there. Guys, if you're still in the old stream, where's the old stream? Here we go. That's where you should be at, right? I need to end that stream right there. That is crazy, man. I can't believe that. Here we go. Right, let's start again. Yeah, they're stopping us, man. They are stopping us. Nice. Ah, it's so bad. Nah, you know what, guys? I'm going to be honest with you. Yeah, 144 graphics. Nah, man. You need to... Yeah, I've done that. Okay. Okay, cool. So we are right here. Everyone in the room? Yeah, everyone's in the room. Okay, cool. Shit, man, I can't believe what I did. That was my fault, by the way, guys. Discord, yeah, don't worry. I'm going to get it up in the Discord. Don't worry. Right, okay then. Let me just get it shared across the other platform. So sorry about this, guys. This was my fault, man. This was my fault. You know? We weren't getting stopped by anyone, you know? Boomer moment, man. I can't believe that. Absolute boomer moment. What a clown. Just as we were getting into it. And what's Bitcoin doing? Oh, man. I can't believe it. All right. Are we back in the room, guys? Is that what we're saying? Are we all good now? Yeah? We're all good. Apparently, we were second on search for Bitcoin Live. Second on Bitcoin search. That is crazy. Right then. Here we go. All right. Are we back in the room? Is everyone all good now? Yeah? Exactly as projected. Yeah, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you, man. That's awesome. Sorry, guys, but we're going to have to get the likes back up again. That is crazy. 564 of you in the room. We had 1,500 people in here a moment ago, man. I just wanted more likes, so I started again. I know, man. Literally lost 1,000 viewers just like that. But you know what? They'll come back in. They will come back in. Everyone's back in now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's wait for a few people to come back in. But look what happened to Bitcoin just there. Prime time now. Joan, what's good? What's good? Oh, my mother stepped in. She's coming to the stream right now. Obi-Wan Tino. I'm so sorry, guys. That is messed up, man. I can't believe that. I actually can't believe I did that. I completely closed it off. That is nuts, man. What a schoolboy error. 704. Let's get it up, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So we can carry on, man. So that we can carry on. But whilst we're waiting for that, here we go. Oh, that's what I want to see. Andy, in TradingView, right-click the time and date area at the bottom of the window, and you should be able to add session breaks. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. They can't stop us, Ahmed. No. They tried it last night. They can't do it again. We ain't giving no financial advice, guys. We're just talking about the pattern. You know, that's all we're doing. We're just talking about the pattern. Mom sabotage. Nice one, Brandon, man. Nice one. Oh, man. Okay, then, cool. Just a quick note, yeah? Just look what we just said. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Anyone that's new, thank you for subscribing to the account, man. Thank you so much. Moon boys, nah, man. No moon boys in here, man. We ain't about the moon boys. All right, just look what Bitcoin did, what we said earlier on. We said there are guys that are trading this zone, okay? There are retail traders that are trading this zone, all right? And what's the market maker done? He's pinned the high and pulled it right back. Why? Because he's trying to trap retail traders, trying to get the longs triggered, because everyone's like looking, you know, for bull flags. You know, they're looking for all sorts of strategies, okay? Now, granted, it will probably continue to move to the upside, but the market maker likes to induce traders. It keeps them on the edge. Look, he's triggered hundreds and thousands of contracts in this area, and he's brought price right back, all right, because they set very tight stops. Look what's happening. He's just working that zone. Just notice how he's moving price up and down in that zone, all right? This is the mid-Asian zone. This is the high. This is the low, all right? You can see the 50-day, and it's very close to price. Every time it comes back to the 50-day, it bounces away from it. So the projection to the upside is still sound. However, the market makers like to trap and induce. Spike, pull back. Spike, pull back. They know traders are looking at this zone, you know? Man, I can't believe we cut the stream, man. What a stupid move. Oh, my days. Yeah, does Wednesday have to... It doesn't have to be a trend reversal day, because the trend reversal on the midpoint of the week, it could either be a continuation, all right? Or it could just reverse the next day on the Thursday. We won't know until Wednesday plays out. When I say Wednesday, I mean from this point, okay, all the way through until the New York reversal. So the reversal could happen in New York, where it retests the moving averages, comes back down and tests the 200-day on the 15-minute, or the 200-day on the hourly. All right, it could come back and test the 50-day on the hourly and the 200-day on the hourly, and then Thursday send price back up as a quick move to, you know, getting long again at a cheaper point for the market makers, that is. But look, just look what she's doing. Look exactly what she's doing. She's just moving. She's getting ready to blow. Look, Bitcoin is going to move hard tonight. Tonight is Bitcoin. But look at Ethereum. She ain't doing nothing. Where's the fractional disparity? When Bitcoin moves, Ethereum holds. If Bitcoin continues to move and when Bitcoin moves, Ethereum can hold, right? If Bitcoin moves, Ethereum moves. If Bitcoin moves, Ethereum can continue to move, so she'll move in line with it. But what's happening tonight is Ethereum is holding its zone, all right? Litecoin, on the other hand, is going for the sky. She hit the she hit the $200 projection that we made on Sunday, all right? Happy days. Actually, we called this from last week. $200, that's what we were waiting for. And we were trading from this point here, the W formation down here with Litecoin, drop, rise, go. So go and watch Friday stream, and then watch Saturday stream as well. All right, go watch Friday and Saturday stream, and we talk about why Litecoin should be hitting $200 in the week. And that's exactly what she's done. Ethereum, she's moving slowly. Bitcoin's got the aggression. All right, so where are we at? Yeah, sorry, Nick. Nah, Jaded Blur, I don't see Bitcoin moving down from here unless this looks like a fake to the upside. Even if it is a fake out to the upside, we can still profit from it. All right, we can still make money on the move like this, because I'm expecting it to go to the M4, but they've been holding this zone for a long time. Holding it for a very long time. All right, so let's just see how it goes. She's broken out of the zone now. Remember, retail traders are trading this sort of zone. All right, they're saying, right, you know what? Okay, let's get our orders filled. Let's set an limit orders at the top here, and let's get filled. Bang, here we go. Up it goes. Makes moves to the higher. Let's see what happens. Because the 50-day is pretty flat on the 15. On the hourly, she's edging upwards. Here's a little trick for you guys. When you're trying to understand where we are in terms of a trend, if the 50-day and the 200-day are pointing in terms of the clocks, if you get a clock face, and if they're pointing between 1 and 2 o'clock, you've got yourself upside momentum. Same with the 200-day. If it's on the opposite side and it's pointing downwards to 4, 5 o'clock, you've got downside momentum. All right? So let's just pay more attention to Bitcoin. I'm looking at Bitcoin, not the altcoins yet. I'm going to look at the altcoins shortly, but I just need to pay attention to Bitcoin because she could actually hit key 55 point, which is what we were expecting. Let me just actually have a look at Bitcoin on our projection on TradingView. Here we go, guys. Look what we got. Look what we got for Bitcoin projection on TradingView. Different price zone for Bitcoin projection. Hold on. Watch this. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that for Bitcoin. That's the projection from last night. 155. That's where we were. 55,205. That's where we are. That was our projection from last night. Go watch last night's video. Completely annihilated that projection. Absolutely ripped it. Projections are all coming in tonight, guys. That is crazy. That is crazy. I can't believe it, man. I can't believe it. Crow 0.17 from your 16 projection. Did Crow hit projection as well? Oh my God. Crow. Let's have a look. Did Crow hit it? Did I put a projection on it last night? USDT. Did we hit it? We did, didn't we? She did. Yeah, drew it out, but I didn't label it. That's crap. Let's have a look here. What we got here? 55,200 is exact fib. You guys looked at it last night. I did not draw one single Fibonacci. I did not draw one single Fibonacci in last night's stream. You guys witnessed it. All right, go and have a look at it. Did not watch not one. And that is the projection. Is that the Fibonacci point? That is disgusting. That tells me something. That is crazy, man. Am I a market maker? Stella, yeah, I'm gonna have a look at Stella. Oh, DT, man, what's happening? Tina, I want your opinion. No financial advice, but if I had £1,000 in Bitcoin right now and wanted to trade right now before it goes to M4, how much do you think profits on that amount could be? Psh, too many questions right there, bro. What's your leverage? What platform you're on? What's your spread? You know, there's so many factors to consider. I mean, I couldn't tell you. I really couldn't tell you. You know, because with £1,000, how much Bitcoin are you actually owning at £1,000? Then you're going to add your leverage. What leverage point are you going at? How much is it per point for you? You know, I couldn't tell you, my friend. I'm not going to lie to you. You know, if someone can shed any light in the comments, that'll be great. Let us know what that guy would do. You know, what would be an ideal scenario? You know, am I a market maker? Great book title. You know what? I'm going to hold you to that. Let's have a look. Yeah, Fibonacci is a dirty word here. So 55,200 is the price pullback where we could get a short-term pullback. Let's see if it happens. You know, if it does happen. I mean, look, she's stalling right now. Bitcoin is stalling, but we're seeing like a double top here. That's on the hourly. All right. Remember, there's a zone here. Traders are looking at this zone. All right. So if I move it down ever so slightly right there so that it matches with that pin, you notice that they're pinning the lows, pinning the highs right there. All right. But let's see if it does play out. The 15-minute time frame might tell us a different story. Here we go. Look. You've got a small W formation right there. Very small pullback, continuation to the upside. You know, I'm expecting once this gets hit, the projection gets hit, we are then looking for the M4 price projection point, which is different for you guys on my charts. Ethereum, she's pulling back from the M3. Bitcoin, Litecoin, she's still pulling back. So yeah, they're taking a little bit of a break. Okay. All right then, guys, can we get the likes up to 1,000? And I'm going to start getting all these altcoins checked out. Okay. Let's get all these altcoins checked out while we do it. Let's start off with BNB. Oh, wow. BNB hit the target. There was the price projection, 254. We hit that. Happy days, if I remember correctly. Right, BNB is forming a massive, massive first tier leg to the upside. Right here. Are we going to see an M formation right here? Let's see if it plays out. Let's see. And that will be consistent with the cycle. Why? Because you got on the 15-minute time frame. Let's go down to the hourly. Look at that move. W formation. Rise. Retrace. Continuation. So level 1. Retrace. Level 2. Okay. Because it's a very extended level 2. We are still expecting another move to the upside. But first, we're going to look to retrace. We are most definitely going to look to retrace on BNB. Okay. SNX. Someone said XLM. I need to see XLM because I hold XLM. Okay. What we got here? Another calamity point for you guys. The battery's running low on the laptop, but don't worry. I've just put the charger in. Happy days. Bet that scared you guys because it sure scared me. SNX right now, what's she doing on the 1 hourly? We've got a W formation that's still being held from earlier this week. W formation. All right. You've now got another pattern in there. You could use that W formation as well. A pattern within a pattern. Rise, retrace, continuation to the upside. My projection for SNX is going to be 24 on the nose. That's what I'm expecting her to do. Price projection, 24 on the nose. Happy days target. Let's see if she hits it. Okay. Let me just move this up here. Happy days. This is not financial advice, guys. I'm just saying to you a price projection. No different to the moon boys when they like to predict. You know? Happy days projection. You know, at least there's context behind what I'm trying to convey to you guys, to get you guys to make the decisions for yourself so that when you're looking at a chart and you see a pattern forming, you're able to understand how far it's likely to go. Okay? My reasoning for this area here is because over here, you can see market makers started moving to the downside. They weren't selling. They were buying at the lows in this area here. They triggered the buys in this area and started buying at lower prices. They held the zone, formed a pattern, started getting those longs closed, and they're going to want to realize higher closes on those longs in the future. So we're going to look to hit the 24 first and maybe go back to hit 26 zone as well. So we'll wait for the 24 to get hit. Happy days. Uniswap has been behaving really well for us. We've done some projections for Uniswap. There you go. She hit the projection, came back. Here you go. Nice little M formation right there. Rise, retrace, rise. Doesn't take out the previous high. Look, it doesn't take out the previous high. Why? Because what market makers have done is they encouraged all the traders to step in and they were building their shorts at higher prices. They didn't allow price to go any higher than this because they've got money trapped in this zone. Why? Because the moon boys are holding their position. They wait for price to retrace back and they think, yeah, you know what? I'm going to buy the dip. Market maker can see that and he says, you know what? Let's trap these idiots. Let's get them committed to the trade. Let's form a pattern for them. Let's form a range. Let's make them think they're going to buy the dip. Then what happens? Market maker steps in and starts smacking price to the upside, solidifying the conviction that the guys who caught the move here or missed out on the move to the upside are able to get back in again. Then this big green candle here solidifies it, seals it for the retail trader that we're going to continue to the upside. The retail trader's confidence is through the moon because he's successfully brought the dip. Okay? Then look what happens. They pin the high and they pull price all the way back to the 50-day. Still maintaining the logic that it's going to be buying the dip. Okay, because if you notice when it pulls back to this zone right here, all right, it doesn't touch the 50-day. Now this is touching the 50-day. Look, it's now touching the 50-day and it's, look at it, working the lows. It's working the lows. So XLM may look to go back to the upside, but what they're trying to do is they're trying to get the guys to believe that it's now going to go short. Because remember, moon boys were in here. All right? The moon boys were stepping in here. Okay? That's how you understand price. Not one indicator was considered. No crossover, nothing. We're talking exclusively psychology behind price. Give me another price. Give me another thing. Give me another coin. Not XLM. I need to look at XLM. Not XLM. My guy doesn't want to look at XLM. What's wrong with XLM, bro? You should be chilling. Jaded Blur, you should be chilling, bro. XLM is doing things. Legit, you know what? I'd be happy to do that on a coin that I've never seen before. But you've got to understand, guys, all the altcoins are going to copy what Ethereum does. They're all going to be doing the same thing. So if you guys can come to me with a coin that is not performing based on what Bitcoin's doing or Ethereum, give it to me, tell me what it is, and I'm going to break it down and see exactly what we could get from it. Price projection. Jaded, this is for you, bruv. Here we go. So XLM has formed the bigger W formation and she's held the zone perfectly. All right. I hold XLM with you, bro. So don't worry. I'm itching as well. We've now got one pullback to the 50-day right here. Okay. So we come out of the zone. Rise, retrace. All right. Let me just close all of this here. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. And tidy this shit up because it's too much on the eyes. There's your perfect W right there, guys. Okay. Rise out. Okay. First pullback. Retrace. Forms another W right here to solidify the behavior. What does it do? Look, let's go and look closely. What are the market makers doing? Where have you seen this before, guys? 1, 2, 3 pins to the low. What are they doing? They're absorbing the guys, making them go short so they can use the liquidity to move price to the upside and build their longs. You just saw it earlier on Ethereum and Bitcoin. All right. We're on Stellar right now. The pattern's exactly the same across the board. All right. So now we've got that rise, retrace, level 1. Okay. We've got level 1 right here for Stellar. All right. We're expecting another move to the upside. So we take out and break out level 1, but we pull back. So we're still in level 2. We need to rise further to confirm level 2. All right. So now it's holding this zone right here. If I go down to the 15-minute time frame, you're going to see something magical. What do you see? You see, pin to the low, pin to the low. Look at that spike right there. That's the confirmation candle for me. I'm entering at that point there. All right. W formation right there. Okay. W formation, retrace, continuation to the upside. I'm expecting XLM to successfully hit at least 44. That's what I'm waiting for her to do. Above the M5 point. 44. That's what I'm waiting for her to do. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. It's beating a dead horse on the question, but... Will Smith, William, listen, I have got a broker. I'm just literally opening an account with them, all right? And I just want to test the dynamics. Is it worth me telling you guys to go to it? All right? But I'm going to tell you what that broker is. But I'm very cautious about my recommendations, you know, because if it goes wrong, you guys are going to come back to me and say, yo, T, you said us to go there and it's dog shit, you know? So I ain't going to do that to you guys. I'm going to make sure that it's right. I'll tell you who the broker is. It's Ananda, all right? But I'm trying it out. I want to see what it's like. You know, what are the spreads like? They say the spreads are what they are, but until you actually in a trade, you ain't going to understand their spreads until you put money on the line. They advertise good spreads, which is true. They do have them, but the market is the market. You know, they can do whatever they like. All right. Okay, then. No worries, William, man. Yeah, so go check out Ananda, man. Right, Joseph, you're hitting up with the Cotty. Here we go. Nice. Never done this coin before. Okay, so this is what's interesting about this coin here. You can see it's done an M formation. Let's see if we can find the whole cycle. Here we go. This is great learning for you guys. Here's the whole cycle. You have got W formation down here, yeah? W, rise, retrace. That ain't even a continuation. You know, that was Superman sitting on that. That's Moon Boy. That's Pluto, man. No, that's wild. That's out the Galactica, you know? Right up there. That doesn't really count as a level, man. That's just a wild zone, all right? Down here is the level. So you've got W formation down here. Rise, retrace, continuation to the upside. Level 1, yeah? Level 2. Level 3, peak formation. M pattern, yeah? You've got the M, rise, retrace, rise, pull back, continuation to the downside. 1, 2, 3. And what have we got? Mad days. I hate this. Here we go. M pattern right there. Okay. We got level 1 drop, rise. Level 2 drop, rise. Level 3 drop. We're waiting for a peak formation for the pattern. Granted, you can see a W formation right here. Okay. And it could still be successful. Why? Because you're seeing prices up here, pull back, continuation to the upside to hit 46. Thing is, price is right now sitting at the 200-day. She really needs to stay above the 200-day to keep this pattern validated. If she doesn't, it would be effectively level 2 to the downside. All right? It will be level 2 cycle to the downside. Why? Because look, you've got level 1 drop. Now, in order for level 1 to be confirmed, as in solid confirmation, price would need to break down this area here and form another low. Okay? So then what we're looking for is price to drop down, retrace back up, continuation, W formation at the 800 EMA, which you can see down here. Look, 800-day EMA. All right. At that point, the 50-day and the 200-day would have been together. Then you would effectively see the golden cross is what they call it. And up we go. All right, then hold on a second. What are you guys saying? Oh, forgive me. Please, please forgive me. Forgive me, forgive me. My lady is moving. Forgive me. There she goes. Happy days. Ethereum. She's going to hit my projection of 1902. Let's go. Bitcoin's pulling back for a reason. Why? They're sucking the guys in. We've got Tokyo coming in a short moment, guys. Ethereum's going crazy. Right, give me a sec. Oh my God, Ada, yo, we're getting fire in here, man. Guys, let's get the likes up, guys. Let's get the likes up while we're looking at Ethereum. Let's get the likes up. Come on. That's my name, bro. Constantino Pistu, bro. Named after a king. Constantinople. And my grandfather. He was the king as well. All right, David. I was watching Steve Morrow talk about the daily pattern. Any reason you don't mention it much and just the weekly? Maybe because he's talking. Look, he talks about... The reason why I don't talk about the weekly and the daily is because I'm not trading that time frame. It doesn't invalidate the system because there's a weekly pattern on the 1 minute. There's a weekly pattern on the 5 minute. There's the daily pattern on the 5 minute and the weekly. Do you understand that? Okay. Every pattern, every time zone, every time frame, there is a pattern. All right. So it doesn't matter. The reason why I don't talk about the daily and the weekly, because dude, how long am I going to be waiting for a pattern to play out on the daily? You know, look at how many patterns we've been playing out on, you know, purely on the 15-minute time frame. Steve uses the 15-minute time frame and the hourly. That's his sweet spot. You know, when I'm trading Forex, the only thing that I'm looking for is price. For example, this is what I did. This is what I did early doors this morning. Okay, I'll show you what I did this morning. Where are we at? Okay, then. So you can see the M pattern right here. Yeah. When price was up here, because I got really early this morning and I took from this point here, I always trade from the last third of the Asian session. Why? Because that's when they start getting things set up. Okay. So if you can look closely here, right, you can see that when I woke up this morning, I was looking, I was like, okay, cool. Asian session has formed a high, pin to the high, pin to the high. Okay. I need another pin to the high to confirm that they're going to literally pull price away from this zone and return back down to this candle here. Why? Because they built shorts at higher prices and they need to realize a return from them. So I'm waiting. Got my coffee, waiting. Daughter wakes up. Happy days. She's throwing biscuits at my face. Cheerios, you name it, she's doing it. Okay. I see this stopping volume candle here. My entry is right there and I'm riding it down to the 200-day moving average. Close the trade and my day's finished. That's my trade for today. I took that trade today. Dollar yen. I've been trading dollar yen for a good 6-7 years now, man. I've been trading her forever. I've been cheating on her with Ethereum and she ain't too happy, but she paid me off that day. She wasn't nice to me last week. I tried to draw this M pattern on her last week and I tried to trade it and I got stopped out. You know, and that's what happens when you don't pay attention to your coin and to the pairs that you trade. That's exactly what happens. You know? So yeah, look what we got. Dollar yen, retrace, continuation to the downside. Look where she is at the true psychological zone. Okay. Right, cool. Let me just go back to the other coins. Guys, we've got Tokyo starting shortly. Tokyo is starting shortly. If you haven't done already, guys, make sure, if you're not members or you're members, sorry, go and put down your comment on the latest community post because I'm giving away the shoes tonight. I'm giving away the shoes tonight. This is what the new guys, the members are going to win tonight. Tomorrow night, it's the whole channel. All right? The whole channel gets to win. So what someone's going to win from the whole YouTube channel are going to win these Traders Reality kicks. Okay? Limited edition, custom made, Traders Reality trainers. Okay? But tonight, one of the members is going to win. You need to post where you're from, whether you're from the EU, US, UK, and put down your shoe size. Okay? And then tonight, I'm going to declare it, and we're going to have to conversate, exchange information so that I can get these delivered to you. These have been purchased by PC Shed. Okay, before these can go out into production, you need to have sold 7. And I did this a year ago, and I never wanted to push it onto anyone because I thought they were expensive. Okay, and I wanted them for myself, to be honest with you. And then PC Shed comes along and he buys all 7. Okay, and we are now waiting to get those shoes sent out. I've got 2 more pairs to give away. All right, so I've got the one for the main channel, one for the members, and then I've got 1 more to give away, which I'm giving away to the Patreons. Tier 3 Patreons, they're going to get a chance to win it. All right, so we're going to give that about a week. Okay, and then we take it from there. So here we are, back to the screens. What have we got? So yeah, there was your projection for that one, dude. Coty, whatever it's called. Let's have a look at ADA. Courtesy of PC Shed, he has actually brought me a pair. Honestly, it's crazy. Let's have a look at ADA. Why is everyone cussing about ADA? Oh, come on, guys, man. It's a stop hunt rise. That's all it is. It's a stop hunt rise. Yes, granted, they are actually forming a M pattern, all right? But they are also forming a W. Look at that. So where's it going to go? Where is it going to go? This is what I mean. You wait for confirmation, guys. Do not do anything. You wait for confirmation, all right? You wait for the pattern to play out. Give me another coin. Chairs, CHZ, that's what I'm going to go. You've been hitting me, Here we go. Oh, nice. Nice, nice. Okay, so it played to projection. Look at that, man. From last night. CHZ from last night played out perfectly. Happy days. We've got another formation. All right, we've got an M pattern. We have got an M pattern. Guys, it's reversal week, I think. I think it's reversal week. Yeah, I'm going with reversal. I think it's reversal. Wait. I think it's reversal for the alts. Certain alts are going to reverse. We're not going to see the reversal yet for Bitcoin or Ethereum yet because we need 1 more cycle to the upside. Okay? I think they're going to reverse later on, but not yet. I don't think they're going to do it yet. Not yet. Okay. Let me see. Give me another coin. Where we at? Matic. Okay. Boom. Look at that move, man. Look at you. You could have traded this W right here. Perfect W right here. Confirmation, pull back to the 50-day moving average. Study this pattern, guys. Look. Forget this candle here, all right? Ignore this candle, right? But focus on this pattern down here, all right? Because look, W formation yet again. Confirmation at the 50-day moving average. Rise out. 3 candles to the high. Market maker. Rise up. Climatic candle. Retrace. Holding the 50-day. Rise. Stopping volume. Pins the high. Pull back. Confirmation support. Rise. Retrace. Continuation to the upside. Look what she's done. Retrace, continuation to the upside. Price projection for Matic, I'm looking at 33. 0.33. There you go. That's my projection. Happy days projection. That's where we at. Okay, cool. Next. Pundy, yeah. I ain't done Pundy in a long time. Oh. Same story. Same story. W formation. I mean, it's a very sharp one. 1, 2, 3. Rise out. I mean, looking at Bitcoin again. Till she breaks out of this zone. Till she breaks out completely, there's nothing for us until that zone happens. So we're going to know if this is a true pattern, M pattern, if price breaks down from that point. Okay, because remember, it can do anything. The moving averages are very extended apart. We may need to see some, you know, may need to realize a return to the downside just to regulate everything. All right. But we'll see what happens until this zone gets violated. If the 50-day gets broken on the 15-minute time frame, we should be seeing the 200-day. Right now, there's no entry points. There's absolutely no entry points at all. Yeah, the reason I project fast is because we do it every single day, man. We always keep doing the same thing. You know, we do the same thing and we see the same pattern. Please go watch the last 2 streams, guys. The projections there are not just to showcase, yeah, we can project price. I'm not interested in that. What it is for me is for you guys to understand the patterns that are playing out. You are witnessing. I'm not giving you patterns in hindsight, okay? We're actively drawing the patterns and we're letting them play out. We come back and check them the next day. Have we hit the projection zone? Yes. No, doesn't matter. We move on again and again and again, all right? EGLDs coming out of, I mean, it's a very tricky situation with EGLDs, just literally back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay. All right, then. Cake. So we did a couple of things last night on the projections. Mike Dutch found out that my projection for one of the coins, I don't know what it was. Market Cypher was saying that you need to sell, and all it did was just kept going up. And that's the importance of understanding the cycle. You need to understand where you are in the cycle. Here we go. W formation, 50-minute time frame. Rise, rise, retrace, level 1. Okay. Rise, retrace, level 2. We're now waiting for the move 3 to the upside. We may have just achieved it. What are we seeing, guys? Look. What are we... shit. What are we seeing? Yeah. Vector candle, rise. Are we witnessing a market maker M pattern? Are we witnessing it? Let's see. Let's draw it out. Let's live projection. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if it plays out. Okay. If it plays out, we're expecting it to drop. Retrace. Retrace at the 50. Continuation down to the 200. And then potentially make another pattern back to the upside. Why? Because the market maker will build their longs at lower prices and then close them at a higher point at a later stage. Okay, HBR. HB. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at that. We did that yesterday. Look. That was a pattern for this. That's the pattern was for that. That is crazy. R1. We called that last night, I think. Or some point this week. I know we've called this one. Matt Cole, what's good? What's good? Right. We got Tokyo opening in a second, guys. 1,300 of you are in the room. I'm going to quickly get another drink and we're going to look at Tokyo's open. I'm going to quickly look at some Forex as well. All right. And then we're going to hit the night and we're going to keep going through some projections. All right. Matt Cole, I'm going to go through Kiwi Yen for you. We'll go through some more coins, guys. Don't worry. I'm going to get them all filled out for you. All right. Let me quickly bring Dodge up, because I can see people talking about a nice coin, a nice W formation on Dodge. No. Let's just get Dodge. Where is it? Shit, man. Dogecoin. There we go. Yeah. It is a nice W, but it's very lightly traded. Look at it. Spike. I'm not interested in spikes. You know, W formation right there. Let's draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rise to the upside. Happy days. 0.062. That's my projection. Okay. I need more Ethereum, need a dip. Why are you waiting for it to drop, man? I love that. Ethereum is ready to take. I'm aiming for Ethereum to hit the 1902. I'm expecting it, you know? But let me just get another coin. VeChain. Let's have a look at VeChain. Take a look at DOT. Right, I'm going to bring DOT up. I'm going to quickly go get myself another drink because my mouth is dry. And we're going to come back and project. Oh, wow. Look at that. DOT projection. Look, we've been drawing it all week, guys. W formation. Rise to the upside. Hit the projection of 37. That is nuts. That is absolutely nuts. We projected that yesterday or the day before. Okay. Right, guys. Let me go and get myself a quick drink. If we can get the likes up, that'll be happy days. We're going to look at more altcoins. And we're going to trade off in the, not trade, but we're going to look at what's going to happen in the Tokyo session. That means you'll have 1 more hour before I declare the winner for the kicks. All right. 1 more hour before the kicks are declared. Let's pay attention to Bitcoin in this zone. Okay. Let me see. Let's take the world. Bitcoin is moving. There's an earthquake, so it's hitting a new high. It's hitting a new high. No, it's not. Okay, cool. Let me just quickly go get that drink. Happy days. Joan, go to the community tab. It's the latest community post. Go there and you can just put your shoe size there. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's move. Right. All right, yeah, so this is the projection for DOT. This is pretty much a weekly projection for DOT. All right. You got level 1 rise, W formation, level 1, level 2, level 3 projection. All right, so we could see a retrace to the 50-day. If the strength is still there, we may come back to the happy days projection of 40. All right, if there is still strength in this move. Now, if you look across, All right. This is a massive reason why I'm going for 40 is because there's massive buying in this zone right here. Now, if people are going to think, hold on, why is it buying? This price is dropping because market makers buy when prices drop. He will never be a moon boy and buy whilst price is rising. He always buys when price is dropping. And you can see the red candles in that zone right there. So, up in this zone right here. All right. So that's my projection for 40. Now, if and only if that doesn't happen, okay, what will happen is we'll see an M formation happen, come back down to retest the 50-day, retrace, continuation to the downside, hit the 200-day moving average if there's support, okay, on the 15-minute, which will be the 50-day hourly, and then it will form a W and then make an attempt to hit the actual target again if it doesn't hit it the first time. All right, cool. Where we at? Fetch AI, you know I'm looking at that. You know I'm looking at Fetch. Here we go. Oh my days, what has Fetch done? She's at the 200-day moving average. Interesting. Yeah, she looks like that's a straight away. I mean, we do see an M formation up here. Look, you can see 1, 2, 3, which is pretty much an M formation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Retrace down. Quite small trading, but it's decent. It's a nice move. M pattern is a variation of a head and shoulders. All right, engine. My God, engine. Here we go. Happy days. Engine. Oh, wow. Wow. Guys, look. This is a classic. An absolute classic example of watching for the W's and the M's. So W formation down here. We got rise level 1. Okay. Level 1 down here. Okay. Rise level 2. Then you've got level 3 peak formation. Okay, look, peak formation is right there. Rise, retrace, rise, continuation to the downside. But look what's happened now. They are forming what appears to be a W formation. Retrace, continuation, back up. If this W holds and the 200-day holds right here on the 50-minute time frame, which is the 50-day moving average, engine should be going back up to the 194 mark. Maybe hit an all-time high of 2. Okay, so I'm going to get my projection up there. Let's just put it at 198 for the time being. Happy days projection. That's what we're looking for. Okay. Let's see if it plays out. Remember, this is not financial advice, guys. I'm not here to give you financial advice. I'm just helping you see patterns for what they are. Okay. Mana, I know, has performed really well. Okay, because once you guys become proficient in this strategy, you know, the world is yours. You know, Mana looks like she's forming an M. Look at that. Vector candles to the upside. Rise, retrace, rise, M formation. Remember, there's a variation to the theme, guys. Don't make the mistake of thinking that you have to see a solid M and W. I mean, look, if you need help, draw an M, get the line chart up. Okay, but what you're looking for with M patterns, you're looking for the first leg. All right, the first leg cannot be taken out by any previous legs, any corresponding legs. So here we go. Look, notice, look at that. Just look at how close they are. The reason why they haven't taken that zone out is because they've trapped money on the way to the upside. Okay, they've trapped money on the way to the upside right there. Look. Because if they allow price to continue further up, they're going to let the retail traders realize a profit. And they can't do that. Market makers are not in the business to let other people make money. They need to make the money first. All right? They need to make the money. So we're going to know if this pattern plays out. Okay? We've got a W formation down here. So look where we are in the week. Look at the cycle. This is the importance of the cycle. W formation. Here we go. W formation. Rise. Okay? Level 1. Rise level 2, rise level 3. Okay, do you see that? Do you see the weekly cycle right there? Where are we? We're on Wednesday, midweek reversal. Let's bring it back to you here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rise, retrace, rise, retrace, rise, M formation. Yeah, drop, rise, retrace, rise, retrace, rise, drop, sorry. Continuation. Where are we in the week? There we are. We've had day 1, level 1. Day 2, level 2. Yeah? Day 3, peak formation. Let me draw the box. Peak formation, midweek reversal. Is that what is happening right now? Look, W formation, rise, retrace, WM formation, sorry. Repetition, 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 guys. All right? That's the only way you're going to learn. The only way you can actually learn this strategy is if I ingrain it in your minds about the pattern. Okay? What we got ADA doing? There you go, guys. Everyone was cussing that ADA was dropping. Look, they did a stop hunt, rise, drop. Trapped all the guys who went long, took out their stops, and filled their longs at lower prices, pinned to the low, 50-day moving average. Now look what they're doing. They're trying to go back up. All right? But we're going to know if this pattern is valid, okay, only if they take out the previous high. All right? Remember that. Phantom. Oops. Tokyo coming into play soon. Oh, Phantom is trading perfectly. Look at that. Beautiful price action. Very tight in the zone. 15-minute time frame. Let's go to the hourly. Where we at? Big zone here. Massive zone here. Massive. Bush don't care about link people, you know. I like how you done that, bro. I rate you for that, bro. Oh my days, guys. Look at link, man. Beautiful pattern. Look at this. W formation. Yeah. Rise out. Retrace. Okay. Continuation. Let's wait for it. Wait for it. Breaking out, yeah. What are we waiting for? Previous orders. Zone right there. 35 is my projection for link. And you know what? We're only in week. I mean, look, if we consider the bigger time frame, yeah. If we look at the bigger cycle, we've got this big W here. Okay. You've got level 1. You're now waiting for level 2 to play out. Yeah, we're still in level 1 because price hasn't broken above that area. You've got a W formation in there. You've got another W formation in there. We are still in level 1 for link. Okay? Still in level 1. I need her to go to 35, retrace, and then another final move to the upside, which will bring it to about 40, 42. So I'm going to hit myself up right there with the 40 mark. Okay? And then I'm going to get the 35 mark. Right there, somewhere there or thereabouts, and we'll see how it plays out. If it doesn't play out, I'm not interested anyway. Why? Because I can look at another coin. That's how you have to be, guys. You cannot be committed to a projection. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Move on. Happy days. What we got? Bitcoin. Tokyo. Yes. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Ooh, Bitcoin wants to break it, man. Here we go. I'm going to get the other screen up because oh, here we go. She's off. Bitcoin is off. Off we go. Look at that. Bitcoin is actually moving. Here we go. She's crawling away. Here we go. She's going to break out. Come on, Bitcoin. I'm waiting for the projection of the M4 zone. I'd say let's take the halfway point, okay? Because on the trading view, my projection for Bitcoin was 55,164. All right? So let's go and draw 55,164. 55,164, which is really close right there. It's not really, yeah. It's not really much of a price projection zone. Let's see what happens. Ethereum, there you go. She's doing nicely. She's aiming for the 1900. Ethereum will hit 1900 tonight, I think. She'll hit it before Hong Kong. Retrace continuation to the upside. Right there. Here we go. That's our target projection right there. Let's see. Got several targets in sight. Bitcoin. First target. Second target is a 56.39. Okay. That's what I'm waiting for. Let's see if it plays out. What we got in here? Yes, yeah, you're the guy. I'm here. Magic happened to you. Yo. Yeah, no worries, Jonathan, man. That's all good. Chris, how you doing? 1,300 of you in the room, guys. Can we get the likes to 1,300 before Tokyo? Come on, because we've got to give away those shoes, guys. I want to give those shoes away. I want to maintain the likes ratio. 1,408 of you in this room, guys. 1,415 of you. What's going on? You know, what is happening? Right, we're about projections in here. Bitcoin is ready to move. 55,164 is the first projection. 109, 1902, okay, is a very interesting zone for me. We've been calling 1900 since on Sunday. I'm looking at Kiwi Yen on my other charts. Okay, Matt Cole. Where are we at? Matt Cole, I've got something for you, bro. Okay, Kiwi Yen. She hit the 78. Dude, she hit the 78, man. We've been calling the 78 since Sunday. 78. I hope you were there, man. 78 for Kiwi Yen. Okay, what's this? 260 Bitcoin sell wall on Binance. If you place any stock in those walls, not sure I do. Okay. Projection for likes. 1,300, get your longs before it hits. 1,300, get your longs before it hits. Oh, wicked. The Diamond Life. Hey, man, I know you, bro. Yes, I know you, man. How you doing, Diamond Life? What's good? What is good? No worries, bro. That's wicked. Guys, how many of you are new to the stream? How many? It's the first time of you guys coming to this stream. Love to introduce yourselves. Oh, I would love it if you introduced yourselves. Here we go. Ethereum 1902. 1902. Ethereum's creeping. That's what I like about Ethereum. When Bitcoin moves, Ethereum continues. I'll help you with Ocean. No worries. Let's get Tokyo open. Tokyo is open, guys. Tokyo is moving. Let's go. Here we go. We're going to now witness more liquidity coming to the markets. Are we setting up for a reversal? All right. Are they going to send price higher and then bring price back down? Wicked. First time. Guys, we hit the 10K mark and I'm thankful for all of you for passing through and subscribing to the channel. We got flavor in this channel, guys. We don't do predictions. Yes, I'm Greek. I'm from Cyprus. We don't do predictions because predictions don't mean shit. All right. It's just me saying it's going to go here over a long period of time. We ain't got time for that. We're about the short-term trader business. You know, we want to get in. We want to get out. Projections. That's what we're about, guys. You know, we're going to make profit on Ethereum as it goes to 2K. We ain't going to wait for it to go to 2K. That's how it works. All right. Notice what's going on right now, guys. The spread of Bitcoin is moving. Quite a big spread. Watch this. If I bring this up here, okay, and I bring down Bitcoin, okay, watch this. This really helps about understanding, all right, the behavior of the market makers, okay? Just watch this, all right? When it's really wide, when they start spreading it wide, look at them. When you see the price going up and down like that, okay, the spreads, right? They are taking orders in that zone, spiking high, spiking down. Look at that. They're all filling orders. Marius, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much for that, man. You don't have to, bro, but thank you so much. Guys, just know, all the money that is made on this YouTube account gets put back into the account. Okay, it gets put back into the stream so you guys get a better viewing experience. We're going to be doing giveaways, all sorts. All right, this is what we're about. You know, just upgraded the laptop. Got a fantastic laptop so you guys can have perfect streaming quality. You know? Looks like your heartbeat. My heartbeat? Nah, man, that's not my heartbeat, bro. I'll show you my heartbeat. There you go. That's my heartbeat waiting for an update. Shit. Here we go. See? Pulling back. We're going to know what's going to happen in the next few moments. Let's see. Is she going to hit that zone? Pay it forward. What? Mike Dutch. Oh. Which laptop? Got the guys on the stream donated, so I went and got the Asus Tough Gaming A15 GeForce RTX 3070. So we've got apparently a really good graphics card that can literally mine Ethereum whilst we're on the stream. What we got here? He's going to show his heartbeat on OnlyFans. Jonathan, man. You guys are always on this, man. You guys are always on this OnlyFans shit, man. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's go across to the altcoins. Let me bring the stream up again. Across to the altcoins. What's going on there? Okay. Oh, Bitcoin's doing a different thing. Here we go. I think Bitcoin's going to do it. I actually think she's going to do it. Here we go. Where are we at? XEM. Not really doing much. You know? Stuck on the 200-day moving average. Wildly. Look at how mad that trading action is right there. Yeah, just trading sideways. Not really doing much. You could say there's a W formation right there. But it's just a little bit too wide for me. You know, W's come in all shapes and sizes, believe it or not. Okay? So, if it's going to move, it needs to stay above the 200-day moving average and move to the upside. That's what we're looking for. Why? I don't know why Raven is stuck. Yeah, we need to just focus on Bitcoin, to be honest with you. I'm going to pull up a couple of altcoins in a few moments, guys. I just need to see what Bitcoin's going to do. Bitcoin needs to hit the projection zone. Bitcoin projection in the first instance is going to be 55,185. That's what I'm projecting her to go. And the next point is the 56,390 at some point today. That's only if she doesn't pull back. Tokyo and Hong Kong are going to be responsible for Bitcoin's move to the upside. Sushi, let's have a look. Here we go. Sushi, nice move. Nice move. Oh, did Sushi hit the move? It did, didn't it? See, that looks like a long, you know, big cup with handle. If you do zoom out a little bit, all right, you've got a massive, massive W right here. Big W right there. All right. Rise. Yeah. In line with the cycle. Rise. Retrace. Whilst it's doing the retrace, it's staying in line with the peak formation, so it hasn't violated the W. Okay. Whilst it's there, it's forming another W pattern. Okay. And you've got a little cycle there. Rise. Retrace. Rise. Up she goes. Okay. But in line with the bigger cycle. Okay. You have got a rise to the upside. Okay. So. Rise level 1. Yeah. Level 2 needs to break out. We need to break out of this zone right here. Okay. To confirm a rise to the upside. Because we're expecting 2 more moves to the upside for Sushi. So the first price projection could be 24. And then the next one will be 30. That's what I'm expecting Sushi to do. Only if she stays in line with the peak formation. Okay. And she's bouncing off the 800 EMA right here. This big blue line. Alright. But that price projection of 30 could happen over a week or 2. So we just got to bear with it. GRT. Let's see. Happy Days projection zone. Did it hit it? She did it. Projection zone complete for GRT. She did it. Look, we drew it last night. Go to last night's stream, guys. She broke out, retrace, continuation to the upside. Done. Next point, I'm going to see if she retraces back. It could be like a small M pattern. Retrace to the 50-day, continuation to the upside. Okay? So we'll see how that plays out. That's a ascending triangle forming on XEM. Okay. Toblerone. That's what they call it. Talinigana, yeah. Okay. Okay, Jared. These predictions are insane. 4 days in a row, I've seen some serious patterns. I mean, so precise, man. I never even knew you could see where it was going. Thank you, crypto. Thank you. Yes, you know what? I hold a bag of Nervous Network, man. Not many people talk about Nervous Network, and you're the same guy that talks about it. I completely forget about it, man. Oh my days, Nervous is moving. I'm getting nervous with her move. Wow. Here we go. W formation right there. To small W formation, rise, retrace, continuation to the upside only if the strength is there. The bigger W formation pattern is in play. Previously takes out the previous longs at lower prices. You see that? For where there is a red candle, you're going to see a green candle as well. That's the general consensus of this strategy that I have. There we go. Move to the upside. I'm looking at 13,500. That's my price projection. If it hits it, it hits it. Why? Because look at where they started going long. They started building longs at lower prices from this point. Took out all the liquidity, made the guys believe it was mooning out, letting them buy. Whilst they're buying, they're getting their shorts filled at higher prices. Bang. Always ask yourself, why does price always crash back down when it rises so high? What? Because there's supply up here. Don't bullshit yourself. All right? It doesn't apply in the markets. No such thing as supply and demand. The only supply and demand that exists is if the market maker decides to fill your order. He's in control of supply and demand, not the retailer. The retailer's just going to come in, the retail trader's going to step in and be like, I want to buy, I want to buy, I want to buy. Market maker's like, give me your money, you stupid person. You got dumb money. I'm going to make money off it, which is why I'm called smart money. All right? When you buy, he sells. When you sell, he buys. Yeah? And that's why it's a zero-sum game. You can only realize a return if there is a contract on